Hello guys, this is also a voice reveal. Uh, this is the game name. This is the game. If you wanna play this game and then get a private server yourself, go ahead and buy now. Buy now. Buy for 23 Robux. The whole damn map. We are still not finished, but if you want to join, then join it. I don't care. And plus, we want to show you. We have animations in the game. But this is the average survival game. Oh my god. Oh my god. One is chasing me. Ah. The recommendation. The GFA flies. The Rig GFA can fly. The Rig GFA can fly. My god. The one that's T-posing. It's flying, my god. My god, bro, it's flying. And also, there's barriers, so you can't escape. See, look, there's barriers in the game. So yeah, that's all for today. We're just trying to show you this game that we made to like suffer because we were bored. I'm also gonna strip some stuff, and then the next video I might make is about FNF again. So peace.